is Lovelyn again. Well, today I want to show you guys how I get rid gnats in my orchids and houseplant. So before I use the mixture for aphids, and the same thing I use it for the gnats. But now I don't have aphids anymore. You know the banana peel tea? Aphids don't like the smell of the banana. You know, the rotten banana or the banana tea. They hate that smell. So I don't have aphids anymore. So I'm so happy about that. So I don't use that mixture that I make for the aphids anymore, but I use that for nuts. So now I got three ideas that I will show you guys how I get rid the nuts or fungus gnats in my orchids or house plants. Enjoy this video. So the most common I use is Dawn. So Dawn, this is Blue Dawn is very effective. So I got Blue Dawn, but this is original Dawn. But for me, it does not matter what kind as long as it's blue, and it works for me most of the time. Then I got the alcohol, 91% alcohol, and then I got water, and I got half a cup, but you don't need to be exact. Then I got the tablespoon, 1 tablespoon, and of course the panel. Then this one is almost empty. I just use it downstairs for my house plant. So I'm just gonna add the mixture here after we mix it, so I can use it to squirt more for the future. Then I got the apple cider vinegar, but I think you can use any kind of vinegar. This is like a vinegar trap. You can use for nuts, but it's only for adults. And then because the babies, it will be in the potting soil or the bark or media. And the hydrogen peroxide 3%. We can use that too, but I will start with I will start with Dawn. So Dawn, alcohol, and water are the mixture for aphids before I use. So I use 50% of water and 50% of alcohol, and then 2 tablespoons of Dawn. So I have a half a cup of water, so I'm gonna add another half a cup of alcohol, a total of 1 cup. So I'm gonna do that, guys, so you can see how I do it. Guys, so the water, half a cup, so 50%, I'm gonna add alcohol, so to make it 1 cup. So there you go. So that's 50-50. So half a cup of water and half a cup of alcohol. So that's my thing. And then for Dawn, I like to use, so Dawn, I put 2 tablespoons of Dawn soap. That's 1. Oops. Don't need to be exact, guys. So there's my mixture. And for me, I use this a lot for aphids before or nuts. So I'm gonna put that one there. And then this is the old mixture I have. So I just add it to my old mixture. And very effective for me, guys. They don't like the smell of the alcohol. It's they die. This morning I just used some of them. Alright, guys, so this spray is ready to spray for gnats. Every time I see them, like we're in the morning or anywhere that flying or in my plants, I spray them. It does not harm your plants, guys. I use them a lot. I use it for my orchids. I use it for my house plant. They don't kill or harm your plants at all. It protects from gnats. So anyway, that's my first option that I use a lot in my house. And the second one is peroxide and water. With 3% peroxide, it says 50-50. So 50% of peroxide and 50% water. You put it in a spray bottle and spray around your plants. That will kill the baby gnats or eggs or larvae. It kills it. So it does not harm the plants. I got another video, how I feel with peroxide. Peroxide is really good to kill bacteria, fungus, and prevent infection to the plants. So, and of course it kills larvae. So 50-50. So 50% water, 50% peroxide, and spray it in your media or your soil for your house plant, and it really works. It does not harm your plants, guys. I did it a lot. And then the vinegar trap. So the vinegar trap, you just pour a little vinegar in a cup. I'll show you guys. Alright guys, for vinegar trap, just pour a little bit of vinegar. So we just pour a little bit of vinegar. And I put a little bit of Dawn. You can do like 50-50 guys, but I just gonna eyeball it for me. A little bit of Dawn, or you can put like a tablespoon. And then here's my vinegar and Dawn dishwashing soap. So I cover it with a cling wrap. I call it saran wrap. I like to mix it with Dawn because the smell of the vinegar. And you don't need to mix it guys, it will mix itself. So we just do it like that, make it tight, and then put holes, make it a little bigger. That they can get in and they can get out. Alright guys, so that's my vinegar trap. I just put a little hole, make sure it's big enough that they can get in, but they can get out. And then this vinegar trap, you can set it in the room where you know there's lots of gnats, and then just set it. This is good for 4 to 5 days, and after that you can dump it. So the bad thing is with the vinegar trap, the only thing that you trap is the adult gnats. So the larvae or the babies are in the media and they hatch like every week. So you need to kill the larvae or the babies so it does not come back anymore. So if you can have the vinegar trap and then do the hydrogen peroxide, 50% of water, 50% of hydrogen peroxide, put in a spray bottle and spray the media or the soil, that will kill the larva or the baby gnats. So that should get rid the gnats in your plants or orchids. So those two things guys that I recommend to use, and I use a lot hydrogen peroxide. The vinegar, well, I did it once, but mostly I do it this. The Dawn alcohol and water mixture, supposed to be for aphids, but I use it a lot for gnats now because my aphids is gone. I don't see them aphids anymore since I use banana peel tea. So now I use this mixture for the gnats, and then you can do the vinegar trap. I use the Dawn soap in there. It kills them quickly. They don't like the soap at all. And then wash the media or spray it with hydrogen peroxide 1% and 1% water and that should solve the problem. Alright guys, that's the way I get rid gnats. It's easy, simple. I don't like to use chemical. I just want to use what I have around the house, and it works for me. It works for me all the time. So it's up to you guys to try it, and who knows if it works. This is just my idea and how I do it in our home. So if you like this video, please click like and thumbs up. And if you don't, that's okay too. And in this corner here, this is subscribe button. Please click that, please. And click all so you don't miss any of my video. And if you have any ideas, suggestion, comments, or just to say hi, please let me know right down below. I check my channel as much as I can, and I will reply, I promise, in a couple days. So that's all I have, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. God bless, and see you in my next video. Bye.